Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2022 model Toyota Fortuner Q, 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 20,000 kilometers mileage, complete casa maintenance record, very good condition, original documents, first owned, LTO verified, 7-seater SUV, ending plate 1, Tiptronic paddle shifter, all power, all stock, all original, dual front and knee airbag, 8-inch display monitor, leather seats, power seats, cash price, 1,798,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 359,600 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2023 model Mitsubishi Montero GLX, 2.4-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, 3,000 kilometers mileage, original documents on hand, first owned, LTO verified, almost new condition, ending plate 3, touchscreen monitor, cruise control, SRS airbag, auto fold side mirror, all power, all stock, all original, dual airbag, touchscreen head unit, cash price, 1,168,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 223,600 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. ...2023 model Mitsubishi Strada GLS, 4-wheel drive, 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine, manual transmission, 22,000 kilometers mileage, casa maintenance record, original papers, first owned, LTO verified, very good condition, first owned, ending plate 6, push start button, keyless entry, dual airbag, 7-inch touchscreen head unit, GPS navigation, with rear parking camera, cash price, 1,158,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 231,600 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.